Dear fellow content creators and aspiring YouTubers, I'm here today to share with you 5 ways to rank higher on YouTube in 2023. As we all know, YouTube is the largest video sharing platform in the world, and it's becoming more and more competitive each day. If you want your videos to be seen by a larger audience and gain more subscribers, you need to have a solid strategy in place. Focus on your niche. The first and most important step to ranking higher on YouTube is to focus on your niche. You need to find a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and that has a strong demand in the market. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, find your own unique voice and specialize in a particular area. For example, if you're interested in cooking, you could specialize in vegan recipes or baking tutorials. This will help you stand out from the crowd and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to optimize your video titles and descriptions for SEO. This means including relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions that people are searching for. For example, if you're creating a video about vegan recipes, include keywords such as vegan recipes, healthy eating, and plant-based diet in your title and description. This will help your video show up in search results when people are looking for content on those topics. Create engaging and high-quality content. Now that you've optimized your titles and descriptions, it's time to focus on creating engaging and high-quality content. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. Think about what your audience wants to see and provide them with value. Use high-quality cameras and microphones to ensure your videos are visually and audibly pleasing. Make sure your videos are well edited and have a clear structure. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal fan base and increasing your rankings on YouTube. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and create content based on your audience's interests and preferences. For example, if you notice that your audience is interested in vegan meal prep, create more content around that topic. This will help you build a strong community of followers who will share your videos and help you gain more exposure. Promote your videos on social media. Finally, you need to promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on your personal accounts and in relevant Facebook groups, Instagram accounts, and Twitter profiles. Use hashtags and keywords to make your content more discoverable and engaging. Ask your followers to share your videos with their friends and family. This will help you gain more views, likes, and subscribers. In conclusion, ranking higher on YouTube in 2023 requires a combination of focused niche, optimized video titles and descriptions, engaging content, audience engagement, and social media promotion. By following these steps and consistently putting out quality content, you can establish yourself as a top player in your niche and gain the attention of a larger audience. Remember, success on YouTube is not overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve great things. Thank you.